Welcome learners once again. Now we'll go with the basic conversation. So far we have done with line by line. I have taken the topic and on those topic we have given you the questions as well as the options were there. Multiple choice options were there. So now whatever you have done, like whatever reading you have done so far, based on the reading we'll go with the basic conversation. So basic conversation between two people A and B. So I'll go one by one. So the first one is, say, the first one, can go with this one, A and B. Basic conversation, Namaste. We have already seen the greeting, Abhivadan, Namaste. So A and B, A person is asking now, A is saying, Namaste, आप कैसे हैं? So person is asking Namaste, greeting the next person, Namaste, hi. How are you? आप कैसे हैं? आप means completion will be है. आप कैसे हैं? कैसे means how. How are you? B is responding to the one, Namaste. मैं ठीक हूँ. आप कैसे हैं? Which means B is responding, stating the same Namaste. मैं ठीक हूँ. For the question asked, आप कैसे हैं? For the question asked here, आप कैसे हैं? B responds, stating he is fine or the he or she is fine. मैं ठीक हूँ. ठीक means fine. मैं means I. Who means am. So I am fine. Now again the B person is asking to A, आप कैसे हैं? So I am not making you confused. This is the hence the same thing I have included. आप कैसे हैं? First we included the same thing. आप कैसे हैं? B is asking to A. A stating मैं भी ठीक हूँ. Again learners, here why I have included the word B is because already here B have stated the answer as मैं ठीक हूँ, I am fine. So again if you repeat the same, we use the word B which means I am also fine. B which means also. So you can say here B meaning is also. B. So I will just write the same over here. You can say B as also. Just in this way. So B as also. So which means again I will say, see, Namaste. A and B both are having a conversation. A stating Namaste, greeting the B, asking him or her, आप कैसे हैं? How are you? B responds, Namaste, मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine. मैं ठीक हूँ. आप कैसे हैं? He or she too asks the same. Now A responds, मैं भी ठीक हूँ. B is because already B stated the answer I am fine. So A stating I am also fine. So मैं भी ठीक हूँ. We can say मैं ठीक हूँ once again or we can say मैं भी ठीक हूँ. It's depending upon the person, but this is the correct one. When we have included मैं ठीक हूँ, so again if we are including the same, so we'll say मैं भी ठीक हूँ. Then then आप अभी कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Okay. Now मैं भी ठीक हूँ. और means we'll go for the next one now. आप अभी कहाँ जा रहे हैं? So A is asking to B. आप means stating to him or her. आप. अभी means now. अभी which means now. कहाँ which means the location is asking. He or she is asking where. कहाँ where. जा which means go. जा meaning is go. रहे हैं. रहे is for this plural, that is the आप plural. आप रहे. है is the completion again for आप. So A asking I am also fine and A is first stating I am also fine. Then A is asking to B, आप अभी कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Which means आप अभी. अभी means now. So we will mark the same. अभी which means now. Now again kaha meaning is where. We are asking the location where. So kaha meaning is where. Now so till here learners, are you clear till here? Again A नमस्ते आप कैसे हैं? B नमस्ते मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं? Again A response मैं भी ठीक हूँ, आप अभी कहाँ जा रहे हैं? B dragging the conversation, extending the conversation. A is asking. Now B responds, मैं अभी बाजार जा रहा और रही हूँ. If the person B is a masculine, he will say मैं अभी, which asked as आप अभी, no? So same thing. मैं अभी बाजार जा रहा हूँ. If the person is a feminine person, she will respond मैं अभी बाजार जा रही हूँ. Again you can interlink मैं with this मैं with this मैं which is I. I am stating about myself. The B person is stating about himself or herself. So मैं अभी बाजार जा रहा और रही हूँ. So बाजार means market. We have already seen बाजार market. Now B is asking आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं. So again this कहाँ and this कहाँ one and the same. We can pronounce same way. We can write any way. We can use that KAHAA or KAHAAN. So hence we have included both. आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं, which means again B is asking now. A asked the question, B responded, I am going to the market. Now B asked, आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are you going? So A is stating, मैं दुकान जा रहा और रही हूँ. Again रहा रही. Now you know where to apply रहा and where to apply रही. Then मैं दुकान जा रहा हूँ और मैं दुकान जा रही हूँ. दुकान means shop. Again we have seen this one. मैं दुकान जा रहा हूँ और मैं दुकान जा रही हूँ. सब्जी खरीदना है. Again सब्जी, Z only will say सब्जी which means to buy the vegetables. खरीदना means to buy of to buy the vegetables. So खरीदना we can say as buy. So now again खरीदना है which means to buy the vegetables. A is going to a shop. B is stating ठीक है, okay, ठीक है, फिर मिलते हैं. Again we have seen the word फिर मिलते हैं. So you can interlink accordingly. ठीक है, फिर मिलते हैं which means nothing but फिर मिलेंगे. अलविदा, फिर मिलेंगे. See you soon. Okay, this one. Then A. Again A is responding to the same. ठीक है, फिर मिलेंगे which means okay, we will see soon. So again we will go with the conversation quickly. Basic conversation between two friends or two people. You can say A conversation. A, नमस्ते, आप कैसे हैं? B, नमस्ते, मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं? A, मैं भी ठीक हूँ, आप अभी कहाँ जा रहे हैं? B, मैं अभी बाजार जा रहा हूँ. If a person is a masculine person, a person is a feminine, she will say मैं अभी बाजार जा रही हूँ. आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? B response. B asks first to the B responds first, then B ask. A, मैं दुकान जा रहा और रही हूँ, सब्जी खरीदना है. B, ठीक है, फिर मिलते हैं. A, ठीक है, फिर मिलेंगे. I hope learners are able to understand the conversation and they are able to interlink with the same like this one. मैं आप what's the meaning, कैसे, what is the meaning, अभी, कहाँ, खरीदना, भी, all those. So if you are unable to get any word or if you have a doubt in any word, please comment so that we can just have a same words we can use in our upcoming videos. Thank you.